Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find exported videos from CapCut PC. So first of all, this is my CapCut, and now if I have managed to export a video by clicking here, I will need to find these videos. Well, there is many ways to actually find this video. The first one is by going in keyboard and click on Windows and R and type in app data. Click on OK, and from there go back to app data, and you need to actually go to local. From here, you will need to search for CapCut. In case you didn't find it, just simply click on C and you will be able to find it. As for me, here it is. Normally now, once you update any video or you export any video, it should be exported in this area and in this folder. Now, as if you don't find it there, then go to exports, and here as you can see my timeline is empty, so I need to fill it with some videos. So let me go ahead and drag one of the videos that I've made. So I'm gonna drop it in here, and I'm gonna just go ahead and add a file. You can also click here and try to find videos. So there is many methods as you can see, and from here I'm gonna click on exports. From exports, you will find here the URL where you're gonna find this video or when it's gonna be located. And as you can see, it is the same URL as I said, local CapCut videos. So now once you're done, you simply can export it and you will find it there. If you want to change the location of the folder, you can simply click here and change it, for example, to be in this place. Then click on select folder and click on export, and it will be selected or exported in that specific folder. And that was it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.